gush of wind pushed the drone back to the cliff, and it hit the rock and it's totally fell down into the water like my heart also. Okay guys, so morning, we are still in Albany. We are waiting at the mechanic. But the mechanic is going to be opening around 8:30, and it's still quite early right now. It's about 7 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock around there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to some of the attractions around Albany, and then we'll come back here and see the mechanic. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I need to actually explain why we're actually looking for a mechanic in Albany. On our previous episode, when we were at Pemberton, the boys at Manjino Mechanics actually found some leaks on my rear left side tire. The leak is coming from my diff. So they explained to me that I actually need a seal to be replaced, and they don't have it there. Is something that you have to order directly from Toyota. That's why we came directly to Albany, because Albany there's a Toyota dealership here. So right now my choices are to find a mechanic that is free and available to take up the job, and hopefully they can order the parts in straight away and straight away do the job, so we can continue with our travel. Okay, so I'll give you an update. Okay, let's go. There's the wind turbine. There's actually a few of them, but so far what I can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about 6. So I hate to admit it, but Donald Trump is right. Wind turbine is not easy. But I don't see any eagles, any bird being killed by the wind turbine so far not yet Oh, actually a lot guys. Banyak This thing is so hypnotic. I think if you give me a cup of tea, I can sit down and watch the thing the whole day. There's something hypnotic about it. You just to see the thing turn and turn. Guys, just curious, if I get a piece of rope and I try to catch one of the tip, will I stop the wing, or will I be flying up? Has anyone tried it before? Okay, leave a comment on the leave me a comment if you've tried it before, okay? We are now in one of Albany Nature Park. It's the Gap and the bridge, Nature's Bridge. So I'll be using my drone this time. Okay, let's go. Guys, I got sad news. I just lost the drone. I was flying to um, the bridge there to take up the picture of the drone, and everything was perfect, was beautiful. And then I kept the drone, and then we went to another lookout point, second lookout point, also really nice, natural bridge. So the bridge can't be seen from where we are standing. I have to lower the drone a bit, so I flew the drone, and then I bring it down a bit, and then I was looking at the screen, so I wasn't looking at the drone itself. What I didn't realize was the wind was blowing the drone closer to the cliff, and then when I look up, I saw the drone was really dangerously too close to the cliff. So I tried to fly it away, but a strong gush of wind pushed the drone back to the cliff, and it hit the rock, and it's totally fell down into the water like my heart also. So I can see the drone is not in the water, it's on the rock, but it's so high, it's so dangerous to climb down. I don't think I want to take the risk lah. Okay guys, finally balik. I'm back in the bus.
Misery Beach.
So
Misery Beach.
tengoklah, I check my pocket what I found. Something to remind me of that drone. Maybe 10 seconds of silence. Okay, dah habis. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we are now at Albany Plaza. So we're gonna buy a few stuff to stock up, going towards S Springs. I'm just waiting for my tire to get tube to get replaced. Tube nak tukar kan, and then afterwards we decided not to change the seal because there's no mechanic available. Everyone said have to wait for like 2 weeks. So the earliest is 2 weeks, some even like beginning of March, which is ridiculous lah. Then I won't be able to fly back to Singapore already. So because of that, we decided just to keep an eye on the oil and keep on moving. So every few days I'll have to go under the bus and fill up. So we're gonna continue just straight on. Okay, let's go. Albany Plaza is just one of the shopping center. There's actually a few. Another building next to Albany Plaza is Aldi. So they have the Aldi selling their own stuff. So Aldi is in the same building as Best and Less, Subway, and a few other things. So around here there's McDonald's, KFC, and Subway. Like I said earlier, Subway. Coles and Woolies are in the same area. Not in the same building, but they're close by.
Turn left. $100. Take cash.
Okay guys, so this is our last stop in Albany. I'm here to pick up my spare tire, the one I got my tube replaced. And since we can't get any mechanic to have a look at my seal, my rear seal, to get it replaced, the one that is leaking on the left side, we decided to continue our trip all the way to Ravensthorpe and it's going to take us about almost 300 kilometers, and it's going to take us about 3.5 hours, hopefully 3.5 hours, not more than that. And then I think we're going to get there at night, and there's no more beach that we're going to stop from here on, because it's all-wheel drive, and we I don't want to get stuck with the bus, so we're going to head straight to Ravenstop.
Oh, nice. What is that? Yeah, army friendly town. Woohoo! I think that is toilet. That one. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, go in.
Okay, guys, so that concludes our adventure for today. I can't wait to show you what's gonna be in the next episode, because we're gonna go straight to Esperance, and there's a lot of beach along the way, really nice. So if you guys like my content, please like and subscribe, and if you got any question, please comment in the section below. Okay, see you guys next time. All right, bye bye. Rasa air ni masih sejuk ni.